Welcome to my channel Learning is Never Ending, where every child is special. Hello my lovely kids. Today we are going to make eco-friendly vegetable Ganesha with the help of various vegetables. For making eco-friendly Ganesha, you need few pieces of carrot, radish, 2 full tomatoes and cloves, paper pins, some peas and toothpicks. So let's get started. So let us start making Lord Ganesha idol with the help of vegetables. On the auspicious occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, we all bring Lord Ganesha idol to our homes. And on the day of Visarjan, we will float them into the water. If we are making eco-friendly Ganesha, it will not pollute the river. Very first, take a radish and a toothpick and place it in this manner. Now take a large tomato, big size tomato in the bottom, and the tomato which we use on the top should be little smaller than the bottom one. Now place it in this way. Cut off the extra toothpick. So I am taking off the extra toothpick from here. Now we are going to make mukut for Ganeshji. So for that I have taken one carrot in triangular shape and placing it on the top like this. To make it more beautiful, I have used 2 extra pieces of carrot and putting them with the help of paper pin in this manner. Dear kids, do you know which Lord we will worship on the day of Ganesh Chaturthi? Very good, Lord Ganesha. And Lord Ganesha is the son of Lord Shiva. Dear kids, we all should make eco-friendly Ganesha so that on the day of Visarjan, we will not pollute our rivers. Ganeshji Mukut is almost ready. For making ears, I am using half piece of radish. See? Yes, in this way we will place them with the help of paper pin. Dear kids, do you know there are large number of variety of Ganeshji idols are available in the market. They are very beautiful, very attractive, very colorful, but they are not eco-friendly. We should all respect our culture as well as all the resources we are having. If we all start using eco-friendly Ganesha, it will help our rivers to stay pure. Now for making Lord Ganesha's nose, I am using green chili, which is little bit curvy one. And with the help of paper pin, I am securing it on the right place. Like this. And for hands, I am placing another green chili in this way. Dear kids, you should be little careful while using paper pin and green chili. So, take help of your parents for making Ganeshji. For the leg part, I am using peas. I am putting them in a crisscross way, as you can see here. For making eyes, I am using 2 cloves. I am placing them in a right way. Here we go. Now Lord Ganesh idol is almost ready, but do you know they are also called Ekdant. Ekdant dayavant char bujhadhari माथे पर तिलक सोहे मूस की सवारी. So according to this, Lord Ganesha had only one tusk, that is outer teeth, and Mushuk means mouse. He rides on mouse. Here we go. Our sweet little eco-friendly vegetable Ganesha is ready. So let's all of us join our hands and worship to him on the auspicious occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi. I hope you all have enjoyed the video and you will also try this at your home. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe my channel for more kids related video. That's all for today. Bye bye.